the session. Okay. So guys, today we will be discussing about this tables, matrices, filters, and slicers, as well as this cards. Okay. So let us take one data set. The same data set we can take. Okay. So matter clean. Okay, since it is a clean data, I will simply load it. Okay, the sheet got loaded and it will appear over here. Okay, this is our sheet columns, and here in data view we can see the table. No need to explain the table, right? It was explained in the previous class itself. Do I need to explain it? Anyone?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, how to clean data?
Clean data, I have taken already classes related to clean data. You can go and check the Friday session. In the class, and I will tell you once again. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I think that in first class itself, I have mentioned how to clean data.
Yesterday class?
Not yesterday. First class means on Tuesday. Yesterday was Wednesday, right?
Okay, ma'am.
You can go and check out that one. If time is there, I will explain data cleaning. Otherwise, you can go through the first class itself. The basic class, introduction, installation, that class, no? In the second part, I have, yeah, in the, actually the second part is regarding data cleaning and basic charts. You can go through that particular, video. I have uploaded the link in your group also. Please go through.
Okay, ma'am. I see.
Yeah. This is the data set. Okay. So what we are going to do is, first of all, let us make a table. So in order to make a table, we need to only put the columns over these values. The table will automatically get generated. We need not to choose this visual. Here you can see when I'm moving my cursor over this table kind of visual, it is showing me table. No need to select this table visual. You can simply put the column over here. Okay. So right now I'm taking that location. Okay. And here you can see automatically this visual got selected, and here that table column is coming, right? And after that, I will put some numerical values, numerical columns like ratings, votes, and one more thing was there, cost. Okay. So these many things are there. So it is a simple table, right? It is showing us ratings, votes, and cost corresponding to different location. Okay. So actually rating should be in average, right? So we'll keep it as average. Rest of the things, no problem. We can take the total also. Okay. So in this table, we can do simple formatting as we did earlier in other visuals also. Like in style, we can default is there. We can take the bold header or minimal, anything that is okay for us, we can take that one. Okay, I'm taking the minimal only. And here you can see vertical lines are not there in the table. Also borders are not there. We have to put those borders and vertical lines if we want. And for that, grid is to be chosen in order to put the vertical lines. Horizontal lines are also very light in color. The color is somewhat gray. You can make it black in color. Okay, now it is more visible. If you want to increase the width, that also can be done over here. Okay, vertical lines are not there because vertical grid lines are off. So make it on. And here you can change the color. Okay. Now vertical lines are also there. Okay. And regarding borders, borders are not there. If you want, we can put some borders like top border, bottom, left, right. And we can change the color of border also. It is blue in color. If you want any other color, we can change over here. I'm taking the blue color itself. It is looking good. Okay. So, and regarding values also, you can change the size of them. Okay. Like this. Now they are more clearly visible. Okay. Whatever values are there. Right. Now regarding column header, it is very small in size. So you can increase the size of them too. Or you can give them a different color also. Okay. So I will give them a red color. I will make it somewhat bold. Okay. And totals, no problem with totals, right? If you want to put some color for total, I will go for blue color. Okay. Like this. Okay. If you want to put some background color, that also can be done. Like I'm taking a pink color background. Okay. And in case of pink color is not looking that good, I will go with white color itself. Okay. White itself is okay. Like that, some options are there. You please go through them one by one. This is how we can make a table. Okay. Is it clear to all of you how to make a table?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
actually export it also. You have to, there are 3 dots, right? In this visual, you have to click over it. Then there is an option called export data. When you will choose that option, you can actually save it as a CSV file. You can give it any name. Like I will give it a name like sample. Okay. And I will save it. Okay. It is there in CSV file format and I will save it. Since CSV file is very easy to access and it is somewhat more speedy compared to Excel sheet. So it will be more convenient data set compared to Excel sheet. Okay. So where it is sample, right? So this was the table that we had made right now. Okay, this is how we can make a table and export it into CSV file, right? This table, average of ratings, vote and cost. Okay, so that's it. Right, and this is our table. Now in this table itself, we can do some more alteration, like we can find out which value is bigger and which value is smaller, which one is the middle one. By just looking the table itself, we will be able to identify. In a simple data set, it is not possible, right? But in when we are dealing with a table in Power BI, we can actually give some indication like which value is higher and which value is lower. It is possible. It is done with the help of conditional formatting. Okay, so first of all, select the visual. And one more thing, conditional formatting is applicable only to the columns which are numerical. You can apply it to categorical column also, but it won't make any sense because conditional formatting is basically used to identify the highest and lowest, lowest and middle values. Okay. In case of categorical column, you can't say male, female. Can you say which one is higher, which one is lower? No. India and Sri Lanka and any other country, we can't say which one is higher, which one is low. Okay. It depends. Opinion changes person to person, right? We can't get a exact solution for it. Okay. So for categorical column, we can't do any kind of numbering or ranking like that. But in case of numerical column, it's clearly visible. Isn't it, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So in this case, we will leave this location because it is a categorical column. I can apply the conditional formatting over here, but it won't give you any logic out of it. So we will go with these 3 numerical columns and we will check out different conditional formatting types. Okay. So for that, go to this column in the visualization. Below this visualization, the column is there. Go to columns one by one, numerical columns. Right click over there. Then you can find conditional formatting. First thing is background color. Now, with respect to the values, you can change the background color of the cells. Okay. So I will take for maximum, I will take some red color, and for minimum, I will take some gray color, and for we can add some middle color also. Okay, there is an option, add middle color. Okay, mark this checkbox, and here if you want to put some another color, like I am taking this color. Okay, red, blue, then gray. Whichever value is the highest value, which will be shown by red background color in the cell. Middle one will be shown by somewhat a light violet, light blue color. Okay, and last, the lowest one will be shown by this gray color. Okay, when I will choose OK, you can see the pattern. Okay, someone is red in color, some is blue in color, and some are gray in color, right? This one is the lowest one, 0.00. It is in gray color. Okay, and this 3.99 is somewhat very big. That's why it is red in color. And this 2.06 is middle one. That's why it is blue in color. Okay, now it is not in a correct pattern. Okay, it's not in a correct order. It is not following ascending or descending order. Okay, so in this column header, actually, there is an inverted triangle you can see. When you will click over this triangle, it will be arranged in a particular proper format. Highest value is at the top and lowest value is at the bottom. Okay, if you don't like this order, you can reverse the order also by just clicking the same inverted triangle. Okay, now it became a triangle and you can see the pattern. Lowest value is at the top and highest value is at the bottom. Right? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The same way you can apply different conditional formatting in other columns also. Okay. So I'm going to average rating is done. Now I will use this. I will take this votes. Okay. I will right click over the votes and here you can see conditional formatting font color. I can change the font color of the values. Okay. Here gradient is given. If you want to put some rules like up to this value to this value, you want something like that. If the value is less than, greater than, all these things also you can use. Okay. I will go with gradient because that will take a lot of time, this rules and all that we will discover later. Okay. So here, in case of font color also same way, highest value we can give some color. Okay. I will take some brown color for highest value and lowest value I will take some pista color. Okay. And in between I will take a different color. Okay. It is not looking good. Okay. Let us take any other color. Now it is more can be identified, like highest value will be in this brown color font. Okay. Middle one will be in this font color and lowest will be in this font color. Okay. When I will click on OK, you can see the change. Okay. They are very low values. That's why they are in this particular color. Okay. Like this. This one is very high value. That's why it is brown in color. Okay. In between values are somewhat light violet. Okay. Since it is not in a correct pattern, I will again do the same thing. I will click on this inverted triangle. Okay. Now you can see highest value is at the top and lowest value is at the bottom. Okay. Now it is in a proper order. Right. It is not possible that every columns will be in an order. It's not possible because it's a complete record, right? We can't alter it here and there. That's why this first column is getting altered. Okay. So this is regarding the font color. Now let us choose another conditional formatting. Right click over the cost and take the this one, and I will choose this data bars. In data bars, for positive bars, it will be shown by blue in color, and negative bars will be shown by light blue in color. You can change the color also. I will keep it as it is. Okay, since there are no negative values, so everything will be shown in blue color, dark blue color only. And the length of the bar is proportional to the value in the cell. That means if the value is bigger, length of bar will be more. Okay, so when I will click on OK, you can see over here. Okay, since these values are high, that's why it's the length of data bar is very long in it. Okay, this one is having much more bigger, a longer data bars, you can see. Okay, so this is how we can do it regarding data bars. And let us check out one more thing. Okay, regarding votes, I will take this icon also. Okay, and here there is a style. This particular style is there. If you don't like this style, that same style is coming over here. Like for values between 0 to 33%, this icon will come. And for 33 to 67%, this particular icon will come. And for 67 to 100% of the total, this particular icon will come. So whichever value is the highest, they will be shown by this green color triangle. Green color circle. And the middle one will be shown by amber triangle. Okay, and the lowest one will be shown by this icon. Okay, if you don't like this icon, you can change the style also. These many styles are available. You can choose any style, or you can even change them individually also. Okay, all those things are possible. I will simply change the style itself. I will take this one. It's giving me some idea also, this particular icon. To see whichever is between 80 to 100%, it's having all the four cells colored. Okay, and 60 to 80%, 3 cells are colored. Okay, 40 to 60%, 2 cells are colored. 20 to 40%, only 1 cell colored. 0 to 20%, none. Okay, I will choose this one because this is giving me more idea. Okay, so I will choose OK. Now you can see the highest value is represented by this fully colored box. Okay, and other are represented by partially colored and empty boxes. Okay, it depends upon the percentage of the total. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. Is it clear, everyone?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So let us move on to matrices. Guys, please tell me, what do you understand by matrix? A matrix, what it is?
Combination of rows and columns.
Correct. Okay, so here is matrix. Nearby table, you can see matrix is there. Okay, when you will click over it, you can see rows and columns. So we have to put some variables in rows and columns, and whatever numerical value is there, that we can put in values. So corresponding to these two variables, whatever value should come, that will be represented. So for simplicity, I will take this book table. It is having only two options, like you can see. Online order, it is having two options, yes and no, and book table is also having two options. So to easily understand things, I will take this this book table in rows and online orders in columns. Okay, now these two variables are there. Corresponding to that, some other thing should come in values. Okay, then only we will be able to complete this entire matrix. So I will take this ratings in values. Okay, since ratings are by default in sum, I will make it average. Okay, now it is showing me the average corresponding to different conditions. Okay, so I will explain it. Before that, I will format it so that it is more visible to you. Okay, go to format and let us, if you want to change here also, you can put some styles and all. Okay, right now I'm not doing it. Okay, and regarding grids, we will make this horizontal grid on. and we will change the color of it. And we will make this vertical grid also on, and we will change its color too. And after that, border will be given. Okay, so that's it. Our matrix is ready. Now we need to increase its size. Okay, and this was regarding values only. So let us increase the size regarding column headers and row headers. Okay. And regarding row headers. Okay, now it is okay, somewhat visible. Should I increase the size? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So here you can see when book table is no and online order is no, then rating is 2.52, which is very low. Okay, when both facilities are not there, then rating is very low. So it's an indication that when both facilities are not there, you may get low rating. Okay, and when both facilities are there, that is book table is yes and online order is yes, then corresponding to that, what is coming? What is coming, guys?
High rating.
4.11, which is the highest rating compared to other all. Okay, so it shows us that book table, when book table facility is there as well as online facility is there, then the rating of the restaurant is very good, right? And this is the total rating 3.19. I will tell you how. See, when both of them are no, then 2.52 is the rating. And when book table is no and online order is yes, 3.37 is the rating. And this 3.03 is actually the average of these two ratings. Okay, in the first row. And the average of the second row, 4.08 and 4.11 is actually this 4.10. Right. Similarly, in case of 2.77, it is the average of 2.52 and 4.08. And 3.48 is the average of these two values. And 3.99 is the total average. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
clear.
Okay. So this is the total average. Now I will tell you about cards, and in cards I will show you this 3.19 also. Okay, I'm taking this card. Okay, in this card we can represent both numerical and categorical columns. Like I will take this rating and I will put it over here. Okay, now you can see it is the total rating. Okay, rating of the entire data set. Okay, when you will right click over here, you can see the sum. Since sum is not the appropriate measure of visualizing rating, I will take this average only. So you can see 3.19. Okay, this is the same thing. Okay, this is the average rating of the entire data set that is coming over here as the net total in the matrix. Okay, so this is, you can put some border and all, right? You can go to format, you can take this general, go to effect, and here you can put some visual border, then this border is coming. Okay, earlier it was not there. Select this visual. Okay, go to general, and in effects you can take more things, like you can put some background color also, like I will take this pink color or any other color that you like. Okay, if you are taking some dark color like this, 3.19 won't be visible. So in that case, you can change the text of it. Okay, so I will go to visual and let us change the color of them. Okay, I will take this white color. Now you can see 3.19 in white color. If you want to change the font, that is also can be done over here. Size alteration, everything can be done. Okay, that was regarding the call out value only. Now this is whatever is written beneath it is the categorical label. And if you want to change the color of it, it is also done like this. Okay, so this is one of the card. Now, if you want to make some more cards like Control C, Control V, you need to simply copy paste it. Okay, Like this, you can copy paste things. Usually cards are put at the top and side of the dashboard. Okay. All right. And now I can change the values corresponding to it. Earlier we have taken average rating, right? Now I will take this votes over here. Okay, now it is showing me the total votes. I will simply copy paste it. Right. Now here I will take, I will close this one and I will take cost, total cost. Okay. Now, if I want, instead of this average rating, if I want to put some categorical values like types, if I'm taking it, it will show me first type because it is a categorical column. Okay. I'll make a donut chart and I will tell you how. See. Here also I'm taking type in legend and I will take something else like cost I will take in values. So it will show me that which cost is, I mean, corresponding to different things, what is there. So actually alphabetically, this is the first thing, right? Perfect. Okay, I will go to the data set and I will show you once again. Okay, this is the first type and this is the last type alphabetically. So that's why actually over here, first type means this one. Okay, when I will go to this type and I will right click over there. Okay, it's not coming. Oh, by default, I have taken this one. Okay, I will take this card. Okay, and here I'll make this one little big. Okay, so regarding this card, it is showing the first type only. When I will right click over there, I can see by default, first is there. When I will choose last, what will come? Ups and bars, which is the last in alphabetic order. Okay, and when I will choose the count distinct, it will show me how many types of restaurants are there. Okay, so you can see 7 types. Is it clear, everyone?
Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. When you
Yes.
will take the entire count, it will show you a big value because it will show you the complete count. Okay. It is not required actually. We will take count distinct itself. Okay. So like this, we can make some cards. Now let us take filter. Okay. So if I want to apply some filter on a particular visual, like in this donut chart, if I want to put some filter, like in case of cost, I can choose whether it is less than, greater than, something like that. In case of type also, I can choose any of the type, like I can select them like this. Okay. Like this, I can select them. If I want all, I have to select this select all. If I want to exclude something, I can deselect it like this. Okay. So this is a filter. We can use top and filter also. Top and filter, like based on rating or something else also, we can filter it. I will take like top 3 filter, top 3 things corresponding to ratings I will take it. For suppose. And if I'm applying the filter, you can see only 3 types of resort depending upon the rating is coming. Okay, this average rating I will take here. I will take the average because earlier sum was there. Okay, so this is how we can extract some top n items out of it. Okay, instead of rating, you can put the same cost itself. Okay, that also can be done. Whatever variable you want, you can put over here. So this is regarding the filter. Okay, advanced filtering is also there in which different options are there. You can use them. Okay, so we will take the simple basic filtering, and this is the thing. Okay, now it is in simple. What I'm using is simple basic filtering. Okay, here If we want to put some other variables in order to filter, that can be done over here. Okay, so I will take this any other values that we can take this book table over here. Okay, it's not coming. Wait. Okay, this is the particular visual. Okay, and now I will take any other variables like online order. Yeah, it is coming. Now let us try out this book table also. It is coming. Yeah. So book table is having only two values, that is no and yes. Okay, when I will choose yes, you can see the change in this particular visual. It is not altering the entire page. It is altering this visual only because I have selected this visual and corresponding to that particular visual, you can see over here, and I'm not selecting it. It's not coming. It's applicable for the entire page. And if I want to do some alteration corresponding to the visual itself, I will choose the visual. And here I will close this one for a second. Okay. And I will explain it once again. Okay. When I'm not selecting any visual, you can see filter on this page and filter on all pages is coming. And when I'm choosing a particular visual, that is this particular donut chart, you can see corresponding to cost and type. This, what is the heading of it? Filter on this visual. Okay. This extra thing is coming when I'm choosing a particular visual. Okay. I can put any other variable over here, and with the help of that, I can filter out the entire thing. Okay. So I am taking this online order and I am putting it over here. Now you can see only no and yes options are there. When I will choose yes, this entire chart is getting altered. Okay. And instead of that, when I'm choosing no, when I'm selecting both, again, it's in the earlier form. When I'm choosing no only, okay, then again this chart got, a chart got altered, right? So this is how filter is working, right? Now we can put a filter on the entire page also. I will cancel this one, okay? And I will click outside the visual to select the entire page. Now I will choose this book table and I will put it over here on this page. And now when I will select no, please check all the visual is getting changed. Okay. Average rating was 3.19, vote was 13 million and cost was 21 million. Now when I'm choosing no, you can see every value is getting changed. Okay. Even this matrix having yes, it has disappeared because I have not chosen yes, right? Now when I will deselect it, now again it went back to the earlier form. Now when I'm choosing yes, you can see only yes is there, okay? And this whole thing got changed, right? This 4.10 is coming over here, isn't it? The total. Earlier the total was 3.19, right? When both things were there, okay? Like this, the entire page is getting changed. And if you want to put any filter on both the pages, like on this page as well as on this page, okay, here you can see that this like I will arrange in a particular order. Like you can see 4.10 is the top value, okay, and these are some values. Now I will put filter on both pages, okay, filter on all pages. So I will take this online order and I will put on this all pages and I will choose no. You can see 4.03 is coming instead of earlier. What was it? 4.10. Now it is 4.03. And in this page also, you can see the average rating have changed. It have changed to 2.77. So this is how you can apply filter on a visual, on a page, and on entire pages. Everything you can do. Okay. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So right now I am having this book. I will close this thing and I will just place this book table in this page only. Okay. And let us check out the slicer also. On comparing also, you will be able to understand it more properly. See, slicer and filter, they are somewhat same only. Okay. Slicer is actually a dynamic filter. Okay. We can do filtering in slicer also, but it's a dynamic filter. I will prove it right now. Okay. This is our slicer. Okay. Nearby table slicer is there. This is our slicer. And here in this page, I have taken book table as the variable, right? And in this slicer also, I will take the same book page over here. Okay. Here. Now what is coming? No and yes. Okay, two options are there. When I will select yes from here, you can see here no have disappeared. It is because this filtering is applied to the entire page, right? It is altering the slicer also. So whenever I am choosing yes, here also yes is coming. Okay, and when I'm choosing both no and yes are coming. And when I'm choosing only no, no is coming. Okay, right? Now here I am selecting both and here I am choosing no. Okay, so here things are getting altered. Okay, and here no is there. I will choose contradictory option in this filter. Okay, that is I will choose yes. Now you can see entire thing got blank because we are choosing contradictory things and none of the records are satisfying this thing, right? Is it clear all of you? Why they are the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this was regarding our session